you all happy today? Yes? Okay. Today we are going to revise the previous topics: nouns, common and special nouns, nouns number, nouns gender, capital letter and punctuation, and also we are going to do listening task. Are you ready? Okay, good. Now tell me, what is noun? Yes, a naming word is called a noun. It can be a name of a person, place, or a thing. Examples for noun: sun, fish, bus, book, etc. Sun, fish, bus, book, these are naming words. Next, common and special nouns. What is common noun? A noun which is a general name for the same kind of things, persons, or places is a common noun. You know, common noun used generally or commonly. Am I right? Yes. A common noun does not refer to any particular thing, person, or place. A common noun is spelled with small letters. Yes? See some examples: sweets, children, ball, man, etc. What is special name? Yes, a special name is the special name given to a person, animal, place, or thing. You know, special name always begins with a capital letter. Very good. For example, first one, Veena. Veena is a special name given to a particular girl, right? So, begin the name with a capital letter. Second one, Mumbai. Mumbai is a, yes, place. Mumbai is a special name given to a particular place. So, begin it with a capital letter. Next one, Park Road. Park Road is the special name given to a particular road. So, start the special name with a capital letter. And also, the names of the days of the week and the months of the year also begins with a capital letter. For example, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, these begins with a capital letter. Then June, July, August, this also begins with a capital letter. Did you understand? Okay. Remember one thing, wherever we write a special name or special noun, we always begins with a capital letter. Then, what is noun's number? Yes, we learned it has two forms, singular and plural. Am I right? Yes. Singular noun names one person, one place, one thing, or one animal. For example, a flower, a dog, a tree. A flower, it means one flower, right? A dog, it means one dog. A tree, it means only one tree. Am I right? So, this comes under singular noun. Next, plural noun. Plural noun names more than one person, more than one place, or more than one thing. we add s to most of the nouns. For example, flowers, dogs, trees. Flowers, dogs, trees refers to more than one thing, right? Yes. So, flowers, dogs, trees comes under plural noun. Next, add es to nouns that end in ch, sh, o, s, ss, x and z to get plural forms. Am I right? Yes. For example, mango, mangoes. Fox, foxes. Bus, buses. Some nouns have the same form in the singular and plural. For example, sheep, sheep. Deer, deer. Don't add s. Next, what is noun's gender? Every noun tells whether it is a male or female, right? Now tell me, what is gender? Yes, gender is a term used to differentiate between male or female, right? Yes. Men, boys, male animals or male gender. Am I right? Yes. For example, father, uncle, brother, lion, horse. Women, girls, female animals are called female gender. Am I right? Give some examples. Yes, mother, auntie, sister, lioness, mare. Very good. I hope you are able to differentiate male and female nouns, right? Good. Then, capital letter and punctuation. First rule, capitalize the first word in a sentence. Next, capitalize the letter I. The letter I is always in a capital. Capitalize the special names. Capitalize the days of the week, months of the year. For example, look at the sentence carefully. He is a smart boy. Correct the mistakes. The sentence starts with a capital letter. Am I right? Yes. Change the small h and add the capital H. Remaining letters, change it into small letters. Okay? Next, punctuation. We learned full stop and question mark, right? Yes. A full stop is used to end a sentence. For example, the dog is big. The dog is big is a statement, so end it with full stop. Next, question mark. If a sentence is asking question, it will end with a question mark. For example, what is your name? The person asks us a question. So, it ends with a question mark. I hope you all understood. Now, we are going to do listening task. Are you ready? Okay, good. Now, take a paper, keenly watch the video and do the same. Okay? Take a color paper, fold like this, Don't take your hands, fold like this. Now take a thread. Here tie tightly with a thread. Spread out a little. Take a small round shape paper. Draw eyes, a nose and a mouth. Take a gum and paste the small round face on the color paper. Take a stick. On the back side, paste the stick. Now it's ready. Do you like it? Yes? Now I am going to play one audio. You focus on the audio when it is played. Listen to the instructions and make the thing. At last, you send it to me through WhatsApp. Okay? Let me see what you have done. Are you ready? Now, take a square shaped paper. Fold it diagonally. Fold the corners together. Fold the dog ears down. Fold the top and bottom of the head. Draw eyes, a nose and a mouth. Now see what you have done. If you have any doubts, play the audio once again to check whether you have done it correctly, or check the student's book page number 20 and 21. Okay? Okay, my dear children, today we revise what is noun, common and special nouns, nouns gender, nouns number, and also we did listening task, right? Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.